Imagine a world silent but for the rhythmic thud of hooves. For millennia, they were power, speed, and status. Then, something happened. A mechanical roar began to challenge the ancient neigh. This isn't just about transport, it's about the very soul of progress. Who truly changed the world more, the muscle of a horse or the might of an engine? For over 6,000 years, horses were indispensable. They plowed fields, carried armies, and built empires. From Genghis Khan sweeping across continents to the American West being tamed one hoofbeat at a time, horses were the ultimate technology. Their strength measured in horsepower, their speed unmatched across open plains. They shaped cultures, inspired art, and were woven into the very fabric of human existence. Cities were built around their needs, war was won or lost on their backs. Then came the late 19th and early 20th centuries. The internal combustion engine, once a noisy curiosity, exploded into dominance. Henry Ford's assembly line democratized speed, making the automobile accessible to millions. Cars didn't need to eat, sleep, or be shod. They could carry more, travel faster on new paved roads, and offered unprecedented freedom from the constraints of living creatures. Cities once choked with horse manure found a cleaner, albeit louder, future. The world shrunk, distances vanished. The car became a symbol of modernity, power, and individual liberty. The transition was swift and brutal for the horse. From millions in every city, their numbers dwindled in working roles. But did they disappear? Not at all. Horses found new purposes: sport, therapy, companionship, and a powerful connection to our past. They became symbols of grace and tradition, reminding us of a slower, more tactile world. Cars, meanwhile, became ever more sophisticated, safer, and faster, constantly redefining what travel means. We now rely on them for everything from daily commutes to global supply chains.